So first of all, whenever we do any kind of this kind of training, the question is that why we are going in the healthcare products and why we are promoting the healthcare products, especially the MC. See, the problem is that the people are not, people want to be healthy, but they doesn't know, either they doesn't know, either they are not willing, either they are very, I can say that they are not interested, or they are not focusing on their health. That's why most of the people are getting health problems. And the question is that if the health problems are increasing, definitely there has to be some solution for that. So question is that if we ask anyone that if he that does he want to be healthy, then surely everyone will say yes, we want to be healthy and we want to be healthy. But if we ask them what they are doing to remain healthy, then they will surely, I am sure that they will have very few answers, or they don't have any answer. Because the problem is that the current lifestyle which we are in living in, the current lifestyle is very, I can say, we are working in a loop. See, everyone is awakening in the morning, then doing his rituals, having the bath, and after that we are jumping directly to the office, and then we are coming from our work, and at night we have some dinner, and then we are going to the bed. So there is a cycle of these activities. It's going and on from years to years, and in between that the people are losing the basic concept of health, and they are not focusing on their health. So this is the reason the problem of health is arising, the problem of diseases and ill health is arising. So if we ask anybody that do you want to be healthy, then he will surely say that I want to be healthy. But if we ask him what he is doing, he will say I try to follow a routine, but it's not possible. I am taking some kind of products, but they are not working, etc., etc., etc. Friends, World Health Organization recommends that every health individual, WHO recommends that every health individual has to consume at least a portion of 400 grams of vegetables and fruits in a day. So let me ask this question to you, and you should answer this question in your mind yourself, that are we taking enough fruits in our diet? The answer will be definitely, I'm sure. If I ask them, and you can just write in the chat box whether I'm asking you, do you take fruits regularly in your diet? If yes, then you can write one, and if you are not taking any fruits, then you can write two. I'm waiting for your comments, friends. Two. Okay, so Akhtar sir has mentioned that too. Yes, he is taking the food. But other people's, I am not able to get any comments right now. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to say. The World Health Organization always recommends that every health individual has to consume at least 5 portions. It means to say 400 grams of fruit in a day. But the reality is that most of the people are not taking enough quantity of fruits and vegetables. Now the question arises whether the fruits or vegetables which we are taking, is it like that they are pure in nature, or they don't have any kind of chemical in that in themselves. So the question is there, if the fruit is there and the people are taking those fruits, but the thing is that what is there any assurance or any kind of guarantee that anyone can give that the fruits are of good quality, they are natural, they are organic, don't have any kind of pesticide or chemicals in it? So whenever we go outside, if you take one banana, one mango, whatever you are eating from the from outside, from the market, it surely the vegetables, fruits, everything, the grains, and the wheat, the rice we are eating, they have those kind of pesticides, because these time the pesticide has been used heavily in agriculture industry and in fruit industry and everything. Everywhere the chemicals are used, so those chemicals are pondering in our body from time to time, year to year, and this is the problem which we are facing. So friends, and the question is that if everything has to be monitored properly and we have to be healthy, then what is the solution? See, the solution now, from couple of years, we can see from last 40 to 50 years, people are very much attracted towards the allopathic kind of system, the modern system of medicines. So people are taking those medicines and regularly, they are getting those medicines very quickly from their neighborhood. Everywhere there are chemist shops, so they are getting those medicines. But the peoples are not aware about their side effects, because whenever we have some kind of problem, we just rush to the medical store or the doctor, and we have some kind of prescription medicines, the tablets are there. They are not out, they are very quick in giving the relief. But is it good idea to have those chemical salts regularly in our body? Most of the problems which we are dealing, like diabetes, like thyroid, like PCOD in the females, those diseases. And other than that, if those diseases are due to the lifestyle, our diet, our daily routine, if we significantly improve our lifestyle, definitely we don't go towards, we didn't have those kind of diseases, and definitely we will be healthy. So Ayurveda is the solution for everything, every kind of health problem in today's world, because Ayurveda is not like only the jadi booties, or we can say the herbs. Ayurveda is the science of life. Ayurveda has so much in it. If we see, Ayurveda is the only science which was originated when the people came on the earth. It was taught by Lord Brahma to everybody. It is written in our Ayurveda books, and it has been mentioned all those diseases, all those things in Ayurveda texts which were written 2000 or 3000 years ago. Yes, my friends, 2000 or 3000 years ago, everything was written, and it was documented properly, so that people can get proper education and proper knowledge about their health. So Ayurveda basically means the science of life. It teaches us how should we live our lifestyle, what we should eat, what we shouldn't eat, what kind of lifestyle from morning to evening in every aspect of life. And also, if the weather changes, what kind of precautions should we take, what kind of foods we should take. So everything has been documented properly in Ayurveda. Ayurveda has the principle of Vat, Pitta, Kapha. You all must know that Vat, Pitta, these are three energies which helps our body to work properly. But due to our current lifestyle, our wrong eating habits, these and mental stress, everything, these three doshas, Vat, Pitta, Kapha, tend to be disbalanced, which causes the problem in our body. Secondly, the goal of Ayurveda is swasthasya swasthashanam aturasya vikar prashanam. Means to say, Ayurveda says, my goal is two things. First, I want that nobody gets ill. If the person is healthy, he should remain healthy. And by any kind of means, if the person gets ill or if he gets any kind of diseases, Ayurveda will definitely improve him and get him a quality life. So you can see no other science has this kind of philosophy or this kind of goal. Everywhere you will see those medicines are only used to have manage the disease. There is no cure, no cure in other pathies, and secondly, there is no such philosophy that every healthy person should remain healthy. So you can say Ayurveda has been so much in it, but unluckily in our India, it was because the foreigners came, the everything, the history. So that Ayurveda got into the back seat. But now, my friends, the scenario has been changed. People are getting aware about their health, and definitely they are getting back to the Ayurveda. So it's our work to tell them give them knowledge about Ayurveda, to educate them that Ayurveda has the capacity, and to give them proper knowledge. We have to get that proper knowledge so that we can transfer the knowledge to other people. So friends, Ayurveda is a very good science. We have to believe in it. And Ayurveda is the only solution for every problem. You can see in diabetes, in thyroid, there is no cure in other medical system. But Ayurveda, if the person is very much dedicated, if the person has the patient, if the person follows the system properly, definitely he will be getting good improvement, very nice improvement. Because in my 20 years of practice, I have seen that Ayurveda has the best in the best of everything. So Ayurveda, why Ayurveda is necessary for today's life? See, most of the diseases are today's of lifestyle. So if you want to be healthy, first of all, we have to have a good lifestyle. That Ayurveda teaches us that we have to have good lifestyle, good diet. Everything should be in balance. Secondly, our body is made up of natural elements. Ayurveda says our body is made up of five elements. That is Panch Mahabhuta. You must have heard: Vata, Agni, Jal, Prithvi, Akash, and Vayu. So the Panch Mahabhuta makes the body. So if the body is from natural elements, the body has been made from natural elements, definitely the body requires all those natural things to get himself working. So if you are a natural thing, because we are from the nature, we have come from the nature, prakriti se hum bane hain. So if we are from the nature, definitely we will have to take all those things which are natural, which are prakrtic, and which we use, and they didn't have any kind of side effects on the body. So that's why the second point is that Ayurveda, if Ayurveda is taken properly, Ayurveda doesn't have any kind of side effects because Ayurveda is natural. Third one is Ayurveda works on the cause of the body. So you can see every time we talk about toxins. In next session, whenever I am taking, I will tell you the concept of the toxins. And when you get that concept of the toxins, you will have a clear mindset about the diseases. But what are the toxins? The toxins are the things which tend to accumulate in our body for long period of time. And whenever they tend to accumulate in the body, they destroy our cells. And when the cells are destroyed, we get diseases. So why toxins are there in the body? Because our poor lifestyle and poor diet and chemical which we are pondering in our body directly. So if we eradicate those toxins, we get healthy. That is the reason we call that Ayurveda works on the cause of the disease, because it eliminates the toxins. Fourth one is rejuvenates soul and mind. Ayurveda is the only pathy which combines the body and the mind. You can see if anybody has a problem of migraine in Ayurveda, we call it a pitta vyadi. We used to say, we call that it is from the acid problem. So migraine patients have acidity problem. So we connect the mind and the body. So Ayurveda works as a whole. In other systems, they will treat the body as a parts. They will say, you have the pain in the head, then you have the painkiller. So they can't, they never correlate the body with the brain. So Ayurveda is the only thing which rejuvenates the body and the mind. And I have told you earlier that it helps to balance the doshas. So whenever we talk about Ayurveda, I hope you are getting the point correctly, and I hope you are enjoying the content. And definitely, you can make the notes, and if you have any kind of questions, you can just pen it down. And in next session, I will try to give the answers of the questions. So I am saying, well, the question is that why IMC? See, from the past many of years, you know that IMC is working on a mission to make people healthy. We have the motto of Swasth Zindagi. So Swasth Zindagi is like that. The Swasth Zindagi, what is Swasth? A person who is balanced from body, mind, and society. The person who is in balance with society, balance with the body, and harmonic with the mind, he is a Swasth, healthy person. So the focus of IMC is to make a person healthy in mind, healthy in body, and healthy in the society. Like this, we say a healthy person and a wealthy person. So wealth is the another part which we talk about in the LTS programs, but today I'm talking about the products and Ayurveda. So why IMC? Because IMC started with a motto to service Ayurveda, to take Ayurveda to every home with the means to say concrete dedication from our managing director and our founder Dr. Ashok Bhatia sir and Satyen Bhatia sir. So I want that everyone should clap and have a huge round of applause for those two great personalities which initiated this kind of module, and it is floundering from 18 years and it is going and going. We started with 2 products and now the company has more than 500 products. So it is the pure dedication and vision of our management. So I'm thankful to the management. So friends, just see one thing I want to say. Our products are easily consumable, repeatable, and affordable. So thing is that easily consumable means to say we can consume those medicines easily or products. See, earlier if you have visited any kind of Ved or any kind of Ayurveda practitioner, they used to give so much of the medicines which are bitter in taste. Churans are there, powder formation. So it is not easily to consume, but now it is easy consumable. The packing is very good, and it has been formulated like that. Every person, from a child to the old person, he can definitely consume it. Then they are repeatable, because if the person uses it properly, and definitely he will get results, and then he will be have a habit of repeating the products. And definitely with the quality of the products, we have been GMP certified, all the certifications, WHO certified, everything is there, and still the MC is providing affordable and best in quality products. So it is a very, means to say, a very nice kind of thing which the IMC offers to us. So we have a wide range of products. We have juices and we have all those things like extracts and tonics. Because you see, in Ayurveda it is said extracts. Extracts means जिसको हम सख्त बोलते हैं. तो extracts is the thing which works very effectively. So anything in Ayurveda, only the extracts, it works very fast. Whenever you put it inside your body, it starts acting immediately, and that's why we get wonderful results. And second thing is that we have many kind of syrups and tablets, and we have two main kind of our products which are supportive in our health. First is for our healthcare pack, and second is diabetes care pack. So friends, now switching on to the products, our company in the past have introduced some new kind of products. I hope you must be aware of that, but to get the knowledge more and to just revise those things, I'm here. So definitely you will get some more in-depth knowledge. So first of all, I'm talking about a product which has been introduced by the company in the past 2 or 3 months, that is Bale Brush. So what is Bale Brush? See, Bale Brush is made from bale. Bale is a kind of fruit which is known as Agal marmelos. The botanical name is Agal marmelos. It is loved by Lord Shiva, and its leaves are offered to Lord Shiva. And you can see the bale has the quality to improve the immunity and to make the person healthy and to improve the digestive system. So bale brush is very good for two things, like improve the immunity, and especially because it has some kind of ingredients. It acts on respiratory system and sinus system, common cold and coryza. It is a very good formulation, bale brush. So let's move about the ingredients. It has bale pisti, kantakari, guduchi, musta, kishti madhu, drakshan bala. So bale pisti, as I told, it is very good in digestion and alleviates digestive disorders. Kantakari is for lung health, and guduchi improves the immunity. And drakshan yasti also for kapha and immunity. So bala is a very nice product which improves the strength of the muscles and stamina increases. So it is kind of a immunity booster, the bale brush, and also for asthmatic patients. And if you have any kind of problem related to lungs, you can take that. Otherwise, if you have a poor digestion, you can have this bale brush. The doses are 1 to 2 teaspoons we can have in morning and in the evening after meals. So benefits is improves the digestion. It acts as an immunity enhancer. And if we regularly take this bale brush, it improves the immunity, longevity, and stamina. So basically, it is a very nice product. The two things you have to keep in mind only, that it is good for digestion and for lungs. So if you have any kind of problem like lungs problem is there, any kind of that, and you can have this bale brush. I have told you 1 to 2 tablespoons in a day, twice in a day we have. Next product is the throat care lozenges are there. So another problem related to pollution. Then we have the persons who keeps on smoking, and the persons who have to speak so much. Then the person which have infection in their throat, they tend to have infection and inflammation in their throat, due to which they have dryness in their voice, hoarseness in the voice, and problem in the voice. And whenever they speak, they have pain in the throat. So for that, the throat care lozenges are there. These are very nice lozenges, prepared very scientifically. They are prepared. The formulation, you can see the honey is there, the yashti madhu, mulethi is there, tulsi is there, ginger, menthol, and banashra is there. So these are the products. Banafsa, when it goes inside the throat and inside the lungs, it tend to put the kapha outside. And ginger is there, tulsi, yashti madhu, honey is there, which is very nice and very good for our respiratory and throat system. So we can also use throat care lozenges. You can use throat care lozenges 1 to 2 tablets 3 to 4 times in a day. You have to just swallow it and chew it, and just keep on chewing it inside your mouth, and it will definitely have those extractions inside your throat and soothe them and have a very instant and very good result. New product introduced in the past is Anutela. I'm talking about Anutela. It is a very nice product. See, Ayurveda says it is a very different kind of product. So I hope I want that everyone should focus on this product also. It is a very nice kind of product, because Anutela, what is Anutela? Anutela is a kind of, Ayurveda says, a person's above the neck region, the head is there, the nose is there, the face, eyes. So they have small channels, and Ayurveda says if there is any problem in our upper area above the neck, we should have a kind of thing which we should put into the nose, and it goes inside because our eyes, our nose, our mouth, our face, and our ears all are interconnected inside our this thing. So it goes inside and gets the toxins out and have the relief in in our bronze. So it is basically a product which is called as Anutel. It gets rid of nasal disorders. So if you have a kind of polyp, you have allergies, systemic allergies, we have sinusitis. Then if you have seasonal cough and flu, cold, then migraine and any kind of headache, and especially if the person whose age is you can see if the person is getting premature graying of the hairs, like if you having some people's get hairs graying of hair in the early age like 20, 25 and 30 and 35 also. So if they have the problem of graying of hairs, it is because the kapha dosha accumulates inside the upper or part of the body, and anutil tend to get it relieved. So it also helps in the problem of graying and falling of the hairs. So going over the ingredients, it has सफेद चंदन, तेज पत्ता, दारू हल्दी, छोटी इलायची, बालामूल कटेरी, बेलपत्र, कमल फूल, and खसखस. So all these ingredients are means to say have cooling effect, antimicrobial, inflammatory, and anti-congestion properties there. Then they improve the respiratory health, and antimicrobial properties are there. Anti-congestion properties are there. Promotes clear breathing like bale patra, bay leaves, kamal phool, khaskhas. So it is a very nice kind of product formulated as per the Ayurveda concepts. And as I've told you, it has a very nice results in case of migraine, headache, and premature graying of hairs. We should use it properly, regularly to have good results. So coming on the topic of how to use it, so we have a video on YouTube. You can go there and see how it has to be used. But I will demonstrate a little bit of this. So what you have to do, you have to put your neck as back over the chair and just instill two drops inside your nose. And when it comes inside your throat, you have to spit it. Because whenever you put inside in your nostrils, it goes there and takes all the toxins and it accumulates in the throat. So you have to spit it. And if you use in morning and before going to bed, it gets good results and very nice. So with other products, if you have a migraine, you are taking stress away, you are taking Brahmi Vati, either you are taking Jivan Shakti Ras or whatever products you are taking migraine for cure acid. So you can also have Anutel. So I hope you have got the idea of the Anutel, what is Anutel, and it is a very nice product. We should tell the people to use it properly, and how to properly use it. We should have the clarity so that if we go in the market and we tell them how they have to use, we have to with that clarity. So I hope you all are clear. So next I'm going towards the lungs care, the very nice product lungs care. So see, everybody every time we talk about the pollution is there, the persons are smoking. So now you can hear right now in Delhi, right now the air quality index is very poor. North India, there is so much pollution is there, so everywhere the pollution is piling up, and due to that people are getting allergies, then respiratory problems are there. So people are tend to have the tendency of getting asthma, problem of the respiratory systems. The lungs are getting weak, and if the person is smoking, is a person is smoking regularly, then definitely he will be getting those problems. So if the person is facing any kind of problem, asthma, so no doubt we always say that initially if there is a problem is there and it is from past many years, it is the person is facing the problem from past many years. So initially he shouldn't get the medicine stopped. If he is taking any kind of medicine, he should wait. He should start these products alongside. Slowly, the product will work. The Ayurveda will work, and he has. If the person if the person is taking pump, he is taking pump 3 to 4 times in a day. So definitely, if after taking 2 months, the frequency of the pump will decrease, and he will get improvement. So the things work like this. So we have to have the mindset, and we have to clear idea how our products work, and after how much time the person will be getting the good kind of response. So useful in symptoms of tuberculosis, in respiratory system, asthma, and providing relief to the lungs against damage caused by toxins, gives a soothing effect to the lungs. So ingredients, I can say I have explained earlier also, the mulethi is there. So mulethi is very good for cough. Tulsi is there, triphala is there, haldi, dalchini, manjishta, draksha, talispatra, taga. So all these formulation are very much beneficial in getting the lungs work properly. So it is a very nice kind of thing, and we should take it regularly. If the person is having any kind of problem related to lungs or related to respiratory system, he should immediately start lungs care syrup. So I will talking about the doses. 10 ml 3 times in a day, or as per the requirement of the patient. If the patient is having more problem, he can use 20 ml also, he can use 15 ml also. If the child is there, he can use 5 ml, depending on the severity and the condition of the patient. Person to person, the quantity can vary, but if he takes regularly, definitely he will have good amount of relief in his problems, and slowly, gradually, he will get improvement. He can cut down his other medicines. So friends, in these days, the next part is related to a very major problem, that is our heart, because these days you must be have the you must have hearing. I am getting this information from other platforms that people are getting has a tendency of getting heart attack in early ages. So the thing is that again I will say our lifestyle is there, our diet is very poor, we are not exercising. So due to that, our body system is getting toxinated, and the toxins are, when they go in the liver, they have the problem, creates problem in the liver. And when the problem is in the liver, the body doesn't regulate the cholesterol mechanism properly, and due to which the cholesterol, that is the LDL, low density lipoprotein or triglycerides, they accumulate in small vessels or blood vessels of the body, and especially in the blood vessels of the heart. And whenever the accumulation is on the higher side, then the blood vessels get obstructed, and the blood flow of the blood gets hampered, due to which heart attack occurs. So friends, we have to take this problem very seriously, and we should get the awareness properly to the peoples. So for that, we have introduced allocolostro tablets. It has Arjuna, Dalchini, garlic, and gugul. So you can say Arjuna is a very nice kind of medicine. It has been mentioned in Ayurveda that Arjun is best for, has the property for heart. It improves the health of the heart. It is especially for cholesterol, weak heart. So Arjuna is there, Dalchini, garlic, and gugul is there. So what Dalchini does, it is a very good anti-inflammatory is there, and it tends to get the fat molecules out of the body. It tends to get the fat molecules destroyed, and it helps in weight loss also. And okay, sorry friends, due to some technical problem, I think there is some problem, but still now we should go. Yes. So what I'm saying that is the Google is there, and natural ingredients which are helpful in keeping lipid balanced and controlled. So talking about allocholesterol tablet, it has ingredients of Arjuna, Loki, Dachini, Gugul, grapeseed, and garlic. It helps in reducing cholesterol and triglycerides levels in blood, improves blood circulation, and it prevents heart blockage and strengthens the heart. So it makes the heart strong. So it's a very kind of very good product. We should use it. If anyone is facing the problem of cholesterol, he should immediately start taking this product. And even if you have any kind of problem related to heart and you are taking some medicines, you should continue those medicines. You shouldn't stop those medicines, but side by side, you can have this product. It's a very nice product, Hello Cholesterol tablet. Talking about the doses, we can have 1 to 2 tablets twice in a day, or as stated by the physician, Hello Cholesterol tablets. I hope you all are clear of this product. So next, we are moving towards a new product, that is Hello Uric tablet. So you all must have heard about, some problem is there, I think. So you all must have heard about high uric acid levels in the body. So what is high uric acid? High uric acid is the problem, health problem due to indisciplined lifestyle and eating unhealthy food that is less in nutrition value, like junk food, fast food, or fried food. So in today's world, we are always saying that people are getting more problems because the lifestyle is not good. The lifestyle is not good. The unhealthy lifestyle, the diet is not good, due to which people are facing this problem. So what is uric acid? Uric acid is a kind of acid. It is whenever we take any kind of protein in the body, it goes inside, and then it get mean broken up into molecules, and uric acid is a type of molecule which goes inside our joints. It gets into our joints and causes joint pain, stiffness, and swelling, which is known as gout. So human body needs vitamin C and anti-inflammatory elements to control the uric acid, and due to which we have been we have this product, aloe uric tablets. It contains punanava, gugul, guruchi, musta, black grapes, varun, shunthi, turmeric, neem, and amla. So what it does, and it has a tendency, like guruchi is there. Guruchi has a tendency to reduce the level of uric acid. Punanava is also a property has a property to reduce uric acid, and gugul is there. Neem is there, it pures the blood. Turmeric is there, it is an anti-inflammatory. Shunthi is a dried form of ginger, it is also an anti-inflammatory. So all these products work on our system of the body to reduce the uric acid level, and simultaneously controls and have an effect to get relief in joint pains, frozen shoulder, and gout pains. So friends, it's a very nice product and we should promote it to have, because people are taking uric acid tablets, painkillers for a long time. They are not getting any particular kind of relief. So we should start aloe uric tablet. Talking about the doses, we can have 1 to 2 tablets twice in a day or as per the requirement of the patient, directed by the physician. 1 to 2 tablets twice daily or as directed by the physician, aloe uric tablets. I hope the product is clear to all. Next product we are talking is also new product. I hope you all must be aware of this product. So every time we talk about the quality and quantity of sleep, you can see a normal person has to have a duration of 8 hours of sleep. A person has to have at least 8 hours of sleep every day. When the quality of sleep decreases, it gets problem. So what are benefits if we have a deep sleep, a good quality of sleep? It repairs the muscles. Memory is more enhanced. We have the focus on the work. Hormones work properly, and toxins removal occur properly. So sleep is an important for good health as diet and exercise. Our body needs sound sleep. If you're not sleeping well, then your body as well as your brain will remain exhausted and restless, resulting into ailments such as heart disease. If you are not getting proper sleep, you can have heart diseases. Blood pressure can shoot up. Can get increased. Stroke is there. High cholesterol, digestive disorders. So having improper sleep is called insomnia, that make you lethargic, lazy, inactive, and weak. So for that, people used to take so much kind of medicines. The tablets are there, they take, and those medicines, no doubt, they work very effectively and very fast. But the problem is that whenever they take those medicines, they tend to have some side effects. They become lethargic. So there has to be some solution. So Ayurveda always have the solution for every problem, which I was talking earlier. So Ayurveda has Tagar, Jatamasi, Ashwanda, Shampushpi, and all other herbs are there, which are helpful in getting the mind relaxed and to have sound sleep. So for that, the product is there, sleep care tablets, sleep well and stay well, which we have written on that tablet. So what it does, it helps to regulate irregular sleep patterns, naturally give the body a well-rested night's sleep and reduces mental stress, because the problem of getting poor sleep is also due to stress. So if the stress is less, the person will definitely get good kind of sleep and he will feel relaxed and rejuvenated and healthy in the morning. The hormones get regulated, everything will be working properly. So definitely, if we have the good quality of sleep, I am always say that if the person is having good quality of sleep, even I say in my trainings that if a person should have a kind of sleep, that if somebody if the thief comes in your house and you're sleeping, you shouldn't be aware of the thief and the thief takes away all the things. So I hope that doesn't happen to anybody. But still, the kind of sleep we require is that kind of sleep. The person should have a sound sleep. I hope you are understanding, and if you're understanding, you can have this thumbs up to me so that I can have the feedback you all have. You are getting the proper knowledge. You can have the thumbs up, everybody, if you are getting proper knowledge and understanding what I'm telling. Okay. So the next product is for infections, because infections are getting more and more in today's world. So friends, we have this product which is called Infectocare tablet. So in today's world, because of low immunity, people have to tend to have those infections regularly. So we have Manjista, Tulsi, Giloy, Mulethi, Pushkar Mool, Gogul, and Tricotoniate. So what this product, it is a very good kind of product which we can use in bodies, various infection like skin infection, and then the females have some kind of infection, then skin infection I have told you, other we have infections of any kind of typhoid or etc. Wherever the infection is there, we can use this product Infectocare. It is just like an Ayurvedic antibiotic, but no doubt it works slowly. So if the problem is there, you should have to consult the doctor, should have the you should take care of this thing. But we can also start this product for, or and if the patient is feeling the person have some problems from very old time, very past history of a long time, he is facing some problem, we have this Infectocare tablet. So talking about the doses, we have 1 to 2 tablets. We can use 1 to 2 tablets in after meals or as a dietitian, and one should use it regularly 2 or 3 months. So if you will use 2 or 3 months, definitely the infection will go away and the patient will get good result. The person will get good results. So very nice to say, and I'm very happy to say that you all must have been aware that we have a baby care range for the loving care of a baby. For this, we have introduced a moisturizing lotion. See, it has been that if the child is small and if you have some kind of moisture on his skin, the skin will not become dry, and then the baby will have no any kind of skin diseases, skin problems. And because as earlier I have told you that Ayurveda is natural, so we should use natural products, whichever we can. We should try, and we should do. I will say we should educate the person that they should use as much as Ayurveda they can use. So this is the top priority of us, so that the person should get proper knowledge and proper means to say the effect of Ayurveda. So there are so many products in the market which are available for baby care, but they didn't have aloe vera properly. Hibiscus is there, lavender, wheat germ oil, almond oil, licorice, cocoa butter. So you can see this is a purely herbal preparation. This has to be used by every child. You should promote this and in our family members also. And whenever a person comes to us on our Mac or wherever, we should promote this product. It is a very nice product and very handy product. It keeps the baby's soft skin and hydrated. It keeps skin issues like dry issue, because if the dry skin is there, ultimately the child can develop any kind of skin problem, because baby's skin shouldn't be kept dry. This is the thing. So how to use? We have to apply our body supplements after bathing. Then we have toothpaste for babies. So again, it is a new product, cutting edge technology. So for after cutting the teeth, toothpaste for babies, you can use that and can have the you can say be safe from the problem of caries, dental caries, and it will definitely improve the quality of teeth and health in the child. It contains sorbitol, silica, aloe vera is there, apple liquid extract is there, clove oil is there, and pineapple liquid extract is there. So it is very helpful in dental cavity, bacterial growth, strengthen the teeth of babies, and bring the shine to the teeth. So friends, today these are all products. I hope you have enjoyed a lot and you have gained so much of knowledge. So I just want to thankful to you. And if you have any kind of question or any feedback, you can have in the chat box. We can have 4 or 5 more minutes, 5 to 10 minutes we have. So definitely, I hope that you have and if you have gained so much, you can just have some comments in the chat box, so that I can understand that you have got a good in-depth knowledge of the product. If it is possible.
Healthy life with IMC.